Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Practice channel. I'm Sarah, and I want to start today with a simple question for you.
Hi, Sarah. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. Yes, before we begin, take a moment and think about this question.
What is one small thing you do every day without even thinking about it?
It could be drinking tea, checking your phone, walking outside, or listening to music.
Those small things may seem unimportant, but today's topic is about why they matter.
Exactly. Today, we're talking about small daily habits and how they can slowly change your life.
This topic is very special because it's not about big success or sudden change.
It's about simple actions done every day, step by step.
Mark, I really like this topic because it feels realistic.
I feel the same way, Sarah. Big goals can feel scary, but small habits feel friendly.
That's a great way to say it. So, Mark, let me ask you, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling calm and focused today. I followed my morning routine and it helped me start the day well.
That's interesting. Your routine already sounds like a habit.
Yes, it is. Every morning, I wake up, drink a glass of water, and take a few deep breaths.
That sounds simple, but very healthy.
It is. And the best part is, it doesn't take much time.
That's important for our listeners to hear. Good habits don't need to be difficult.
Exactly. Sarah, do you have a small daily habit you enjoy?
Yes, I do. Every evening, I write down one good thing that happened during the day.
I like that a lot. It helps you focus on positive moments.
Yes, even on a hard day, I can usually find one small good thing.
That's a powerful habit. It trains your mind to notice good things.
Mark, why do you think small habits are so powerful?
Because they're easy to repeat. And when we repeat something every day, it becomes part of who we are.
That's true. We don't change our lives in one day.
We change them little by little.
Let's give our listeners an example.
Sure. Imagine someone wants to improve their English.
They don't need to study for 5 hours a day.
They can start with 10 minutes,
10 minutes of reading,
10 minutes of listening.
or 10 minutes of speaking out loud.
That small habit, done every day, becomes very powerful over time.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than speed.
Sarah, do you think people sometimes give up because they expect fast results?
Yes, I do. Many people want change to happen quickly,
But real change is usually slow.
and that's okay.
Very okay. Slow progress is still progress.
Let's talk about another habit, morning habits.
Morning habits can set the mood for the whole day.
Mark, what happens when you skip your morning routine?
I feel rushed and unfocused. My day feels messy.
That's relatable. Small habits create structure.
Yes, they give us a feeling of control.
Even something simple like making your bed can help.
That's true. It's a small win at the start of the day.
And small wins build confidence.
Exactly. Now let's talk about habits in the evening.
Evening habits help us relax and prepare for rest.
Many people use their phones before sleeping.
Yes, and that can make it harder to sleep.
A small habit could be turning off your phone 10 minutes earlier,
Or reading a few pages of a book.
or listening to calm music.
Small changes, big impact. Mark, do habits always have to be serious?
Not at all. Habits can be fun.
That's important.
For example, listening to an English podcast while cooking.
Or practicing English while talking to yourself.
Yes, learning doesn't have to feel heavy.
Let's ask our listeners a question now.
Everyone, think about this.
What is one small habit you already have?
And how does it make you feel?
Now, think about one small habit you want to start.
It should be simple and realistic.
For example, I want to read one page in English every day.
Or, I want to practice speaking English for 5 minutes.
Very good examples.
Sarah, should people do if they miss a day?
They should be kind to themselves.
Yes.
Missing one day does not mean failure.
It means you're human.
You can always start again tomorrow.
That's an important lesson.
Habits are about long-term growth, not perfection.
Exactly.
Let's connect this back to learning English.
Learning a language is one of the best examples of habit building.
You don't become fluent overnight.
You improve word by word, sentence by sentence.
Every time you listen, read, or speak, you grow.
Even if you don't notice it right away.
That's why daily practice matters.
Small effort, every day.
Mark, what motivates you to keep your habits?
I focus on how they make me feel.
That's a great tip.
When a habit makes your life better, you want to continue.
Not because you have to, but because you want to.
Exactly.
Before we finish, let's leave our listeners with one final thought.
Yes.
You don't need to change your whole life today.
You just need to take one small step.
One small habit.
Done consistently.
That's how real change begins.
So, everyone, choose one small habit today.
Start gently
Stay patient.
and enjoy the journey.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like and subscribe.
And share it with someone who is learning English.
Keep practicing, keep growing, and believe in small steps.
We'll see you next time.
Have a calm and positive day.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.